Imagine a world painted in vibrant greens, a tapestry of towering trees and teeming life. The air is fresh, filled with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. This is a place where nature thrives in its purest form. Now, picture vast stretches of barren land, scarred by the relentless march of industrial progress. The once lush forests have been reduced to desolate wastelands, dotted with the remnants of what once was. This is the stark reality of our planet today, a world grappling with the consequences of deforestation and industrialization. The contrast between what was and what is now is striking. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for other land uses, is not a new phenomenon. It has been a part of human history for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations that cleared forests to build cities and grow crops. For centuries, humans have cut down trees for fuel, building materials, and to create space for agriculture. In the past, these activities were often localized and had a limited impact on the global environment. However, the scale and pace of deforestation have reached alarming levels in recent decades. Modern technology and machinery have enabled large-scale logging operations that can clear vast areas of forest in a short amount of time. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, has lost nearly 20% of its rainforest cover in the past 50 years. This massive loss of forest has significant implications for biodiversity, climate change, and indigenous communities who rely on the forest for their way of life. This loss is driven primarily by agricultural expansion, particularly for cattle ranching and soybean production. The demand for beef and soy products has led to the clearing of large areas of the forest to create pasture land and farmland. Similarly, the forests of Southeast Asia are being cleared at an alarming rate to make way for palm oil plantations. Palm oil is a highly versatile and widely used ingredient in many products, from food to cosmetics, driving the demand for more plantation land. The consequences of this deforestation are far-reaching, affecting not only the local ecosystems but also contributing to global climate change by releasing stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Efforts to curb deforestation include sustainable farming practices, reforestation projects, and stricter regulations on land use. However, the challenge remains immense, and the need for global awareness and action has never been more urgent. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in our relationship with the environment. The rise of factories led to an insatiable demand for natural resources. Burning fossil fuels releases massive amounts of greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat and contribute to global warming. The consequences of deforestation and industrialization are far-reaching and interconnected. Climate change, driven by greenhouse gases, is causing global temperatures to rise, leading to more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and floods. The disruption of the water cycle is another significant consequence. Section 5. The silent extinction loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to a staggering array of plant and animal life, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Deforestation is driving countless species to the brink of extinction. The orangutan, for example, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. Similarly, the iconic Amazon rainforest is home to 10% of the world's known species. Section 6. The human cost of progress. The impacts of deforestation and industrialization extend beyond nature. Indigenous communities are being displaced, their cultures and livelihoods threatened. Air and water pollution from industries cause severe health issues. Disadvantaged communities bear the brunt of these impacts. Section 7. The wheels of industry, economics and responsibility. The pursuit of economic growth has driven deforestation and industrialization. The demand for cheap timber and consumer goods has fueled the exploitation of natural resources. Corporations must ensure their operations are sustainable. Consumers also play a role by making informed choices. Section 8. Seeds of hope towards a sustainable future. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Reforestation efforts can help restore degraded lands and mitigate climate change. Sustainable forest management provides timber without causing deforestation. Section 9. A call to action. Our planet, our responsibility. Our planet, a magnificent blue and green sphere teeming with life, is a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature. Yet it is also a reminder of the fragility of our environment and the urgent need for action. The future of our planet lies in our hands. Every action we take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture. Planting trees, cleaning up our communities, and making sustainable choices are steps we can all take to ensure a healthier planet. We must act now to protect our forests, which are the lungs of our planet. Forests absorb carbon dioxide, provide oxygen, and are home to countless species. Deforestation not only threatens biodiversity but also accelerates climate change. Reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which are a major source of greenhouse gases. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is crucial. These clean energy alternatives can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. And transition to a more sustainable way of life. We must consume less, waste less, and embrace practices that reduce our environmental impact. Recycling, composting, and adopting a zero-waste lifestyle are essential steps towards sustainability. Make conscious choices that prioritize the health of our planet. Opt for reusable bags, eco-friendly products, and support businesses that are committed to sustainability. Every purchase we make is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. The time for complacency is over. We must raise our voices and demand action from our leaders. Climate change protests and environmental movements are powerful tools for driving change and holding those in power accountable. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that chooses a path of sustainability. Our youth are leading the charge, inspiring us all to take action. Together we can create a future where our planet thrives. Our planet is our only home, a unique and irreplaceable world. The panoramic views of natural landscapes remind us of the beauty we must strive to protect. It is our responsibility to protect it. Together we can make a difference. By uniting as a global community, we can ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving home for all living beings.